Hey, Ian?
Yep.
Do you have a minute?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
Yeah, I've got a question about the proposals.
Yeah.
I heard that we're using a new format. Do you know what we're using instead?
Yeah, we decided to scrap all that.
Oh, scrap the proposals or the format?
So we put everything on the back burner because I gotta have the catalogs up by tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow? I thought we were doing that next week.
No, I changed my mind. Because everything's moving so fast, we gotta be faster. Okay.
Okay, well, okay, yeah.
Oh, and also stay on top of shipping. Actually, give the shipping people a call first thing tomorrow and let them know that if we have any of the same delays as last time, we're gonna go with somebody else.
Okay, well, I wasn't really involved with the issues last time, so I'm not really sure what they are.
Track the records and, when you call them, Tom, be firm with them, all right? Be firm.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So you know what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Proposal, catalog, shipping.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, and can you make sure my door closes on the way out?
Yeah, sure.
Yikes, that didn't go well. The Everything Disk Management Facilitation Kit includes a second clip which shows the manager adapting to the employee's disk style. That results in a much more effective interaction. While we can't share that clip with you, we do have other clips from the Everything Disk Management Kit in this playlist, or you can subscribe to our channel here.